Welcome everyone. Today we're going to just do a quick text effect. So the first thing of course we're going to need is some text. So let's add a heading. What I want to do after I do that is pick out whatever kind of font you want to use. I'm going to use this ambiguity inline. I don't know if I'm even saying it right. So once I have that, then I want to go and choose the color that I want to use. I want to use pink because you know me, I like pink. And then I'm going to change the background to a slight gray just because I want to see what I'm doing. So the next step is you're going to go over to effects. You're going to go over to outline. I'm going to pick white because my end result I want is a white background. So whatever your background color is going to be, you can use that. Or if you're going to do a background remover afterwards, you can just go ahead and use white. So now what I want to do is I want to go into my thickness and I want to make it as thick as I want it to go. Don't go too far. If you turn it all the way up, you don't have room for the second part. So you want to keep it sort of kind of in the middle and not too much more than past what was the middle, about 100. I'd say don't go past 100 because the top is 200. So I'd say don't go past 100 on your thickness, but you can if you want to. So step one is complete. Then I'm going to duplicate. I'm going to line it back over top. I'm going to go into position because I want to grab my back one. So the one at the bottom of your layers tab, grab that one. Go back into effects. What you want to do is turn the thickness up until, first change your secondary color. So I want purple as my second color. And then you're going to change this and you can go all the way up to 200 if you want a thick line. If you want it a little bit thinner, you just go down until it looks where you want it to be. So there's my thickness that I like. So if I go and change my background color to white, there I go. There it is with the outline. And my thing for this was kind of like I wanted to make my own doodle text. So I just went into elements and I grabbed some like doodle things. So like this and grab that and you can kind of put it in a spot. Now when you do this, you're gonna have to there's two ways you can do it. You can get like you can get a square, change that to a white color, the background color, which makes it hard to see. We can turn this back gray so we can see. And then you can do that and you can like cover up the spot that you want to use your doodle on and cover up that part of the line. This needs to go up front. Go to layer, bring to front, and then I can just cover that. Don't cover the interior color. And then we'll take this layer, bring that to front, and then you can like put your doodle in there to kind of make it look like it's going from one piece to the next, and just add your doodle piece in there. And then when you go and change that background back to white, a lot of clicking here, y'all. See, and then you have your like little doodle, or if you want to do it like sometimes they do the doodle sideways like this, you can just make it really teeny and put your doodle in there. And then you just adjust your square to go with your doodle. And I just put some like random little doodle things. So if we go into here, we'll go into my projects. We'll go, let's see here. We'll grab this. This is something else that I worked on. If y'all are interested, I might be making a tutorial on this one too. So I'm just going to get rid of this. And we'll look at this. We'll move that up here. And as you can see here, I just added little doodles to make it look my own. And you can see like if I make this bigger, you can see I just added a white mark here. And another way you could probably do that if you just need little smidgens taken out, maybe I would use the draw tool. That might be a good way to do it. You just take that and make your white, and then you can just go and I said I need a space here. I can just do that and take that space out and add my doodle that way too. I'm going to backspace that out. So, and close this. So as you can see, these are my ones with the white background. If I change my background color to, let's see, this color, you can see that you can still see the white in those. And these are the background removed. So if I put these in the background remover and remove the background, see now I can have my gradients doing their gradient thing. So you can use the background remover and then make them completely this way. And this one I did right here, if y'all are curious, I'm going to ungroup this. This is 3. So I have my original one with the white, and then I have a purple one, and then I have a pink one. So that would be these 3 together. I'm trying to move that one and move this all at one time. So that's how you could do even 3 if you wanted to. You don't have much wiggle room. So like that very pink one in the back, that's all the way at 200. So if I look at this one here, we look at this one here at the 200, maybe position. Let's grab the pink one and let's go into effects. The pink is all the way up at 200. The purple is at 143 and the white one is at 61. So I made them different so I could layer them and have like a tricolor going on there. And that's how I did that. It's a real simple thing. And you know me, I get to babbling and I experiment and do extra stuff. But that's just the way I did those. And like I said, it's easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And if you want to do your own kind of doodle text, it's one way to do that. I think it's kind of cool. I think that turned out kind of cool once I added all the little squiggles and all that to it. So it's just a fun little project to try and a different thing to do with your text. So I want to thank you guys for stopping by and listening to me. I love you guys. I hope to see you back at my channel. Bye, y'all.